Pretty baby, pretty baby.
Nan, Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, and particularly, we were invited by Alta Pampanga
Yes.
Resto Bar. It's a rooftop restaurant. Grabe, napakadala lang ng mga restaurant ganun dito sa Pampanga. And we're really excited kasi may mga makakasama tayo na vloggers din. So,
Yes.
yeah.
At the same time, we will taste their food and kung titingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga sinaserve nila.
Oh man, I'm really excited now. So, samahan niyo po kami dito if you want to know more.
So tara, let's go!
We got all the night, no stress, girl. Alright. I will make you scream my name, girl.
Hi, my name is Oliver Batillier.
Sir, number sabihin ng Alta Pampanga.
Hi in Pampanga. Di ba?
High in Pampanga. Alta means high.
Hi, yeah, it's an Spanish word, alta. High class, high society, high alta. The original plan for Alta before, it was a personal use sana for this building because we own this building as the Global Ecolink Development Corporation as a contractor. So a lot of my clients before, no, we go to different places, especially in Manila and other places. But I dream of having my client to go in my building.
Yes.
At the same time, to get those clients that can really acknowledge our products and services. It's a green technology building. It's an
Oh.
IT building.
Oh.
So a lot of the benefits here, we're having the green technology. Maraming materials tayo na dinadala rito sa Philippines because bagong technology na nandoon, dinadala natin dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya may tagline tayo, no? Bringing new technology, innovations in building materials and construction to the Philippines. At the same time, pag nandito ang mga family o ang ating mga kliyente, they could taste yung sa fusion of Kapampangan, Mediterranean, Asian,
Yes.
and a lot of food na dinidevelop pa sa Philippines.
Yes. Guys, coming from the ground floor, so this is located sa 5th floor nila. And pagdating mo dito guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang cozy ng lugar. Coming from this enclosed area, ayan, meron din po silang alfresco type. So this is great. This is really great, you know, stargazing. I don't know, while you are eating, no? So meron silang section for the bar. So meron din silang section for artist performance. At the same time, yeah, this is the dining area na you can really enjoy while eating your food. Nakikita yung skyline. It's an overview of Angeles City.
I've been waiting for so long, girl. Yeah.
Welcome to Alta Pampanga! Come here, grabe. And of course, as we introduced you guys earlier, kasama po natin yung mga ibang personalities dito sa Pampanga, and later on, syempre sila yung magpapakilala sa kanila. Pero once again, we would like to thank Alta Pampanga for inviting us. Grabe, this is a long table. Super generous po ng management po ng Alta Pampanga for allowing us to taste yung pagkain nila dito sa Resto Bars. Take it away, tingnan mo yung mga kasama natin. So kasama natin sa Karamba. Hello! Yun, thank you so much for being with us po.
Maraming salamat. We're in Pampanga at Alta Pampanga. Siyempre, gusto ko mag-hi sa mga karambola.
Yes.
Napakasarap ng food dito.
Alright. Siyempre, kasama natin si Ara muna.
Alright, Kabalen!
Alright.
Siyempre po, Kabalen na kayo, kaya dakal pong salamat in Alta Pampanga. Ay, si Yaya!
Hi! I'm Alice Wandalarit. Ang pipik-pik na natutulog niyong laman. Mapapawaw sa sarap.
Take it to the top, girl, yeah, yeah. We can do it all night long. Yeah.
Grabe, sabi ko sa inyo guys, ang daming pagkain nila dito. What can you say about the variety ng pagkain dito? So we have pasta, no? We also have soup. Mayroon mga rice meals din. So, ano masasabi nyo?
Kuya, alam mo, maliban sa masarap yung food, ang ganda ng color, ang ganda ng texture.
Presentation, you mean?
Ang ganda ng presentation. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, pagpasok ko pa lang, alam niyo kung ano, yung ambience. yung price ng mga kinakain natin ngayon,
Ball.
sobrang mura. Actually, pangmasa siya, pero yung lugar napakaganda. Hindi tayo mamamahalan, pero ma-experience natin yung ganitong klaseng kasarap na pagkain sa napakagandang place.
Yes. So pagpasok mo nga dito, napaka-cozy ng lugar. And at the same time, meron tayong portion dito sa taas, dito sa rooftop, wherein parang siyang alfresco type naman. So if you're interested to, kumakain habang nakikita yung sunset, may ulap, may bituin during the night, of course. So dito, available po yan dito sa Alta Pampanga.
Tsaka alam mo kuya, bakit nagustuhan ko dito? Pagkatapos natin kumain, pwede tayo mag-inuman doon. Dahil meron silang music
Bar music,
yes.
okay.
At syempre, sasampulan tayo ni Miss Ara mamaya dyan pagkatapos natin kumain.
Hindi lang sample, talagang buwang kitang Ojo Kaluguranda ka.
Concert ka, mga yan?
Yes. For now, ayan, wala muna, kaya kainan muna tayo.
Muna tayo dito.
So, isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko, ingabori ko pa, malambuting meat. Kasi ako, maski makanano ya kanyaman itsura yung pamanganan po, makanano ya kanyaman pangaluto, nung masya ing laman, memory na hayak mul kabalen. Pero Kenny, Diyos ko, kakinis mo pa mo, ayan, dire-diretso ni.
Pero alam mo, Miss Ara, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, mahilig kasi ako sa pasta. Favorite ko yung pasta. At napansin ko, meron silang parang burrata meal.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin, kapag birthday natin or kahit anong occasion gusto natin i-treat yung mga kaibigan natin, perfect ang Alta Pampanga.
I will make you scream.
Mama Ara, ano kaya nga sabi na Sir Kevin na ba't bagay ng international competition at galing Alta?
Congratulations.
Actually, guest, kasama po natin sa long table, one of the champion, we go back 2019 in W Copa. Our proud of Pampanga, Kevin Libar.
Hello po, good evening po. Good evening, welcome po kay Alta Pampanga. Yes po,
Sige sir, nanong asabi mo tungkol ka rin food naman kay Alta Pampanga?
kay Alta Pampanga talaga pong maka-amaze. Tapin po muna akong pengan ining beef samosa. Ay, the best siya po. Lalo na po pag tinil-til may ganing tomato salsa, talaga pong mapapawaw ka na lang sa sarap. Makanta ka pricing pamangan. Pero manyaman at talagang manyaman balik-balikan. So, malaos ko po kay Alta Pampanga.
Thank you so much to the management, kay Sir Dennis, sa chef natin. Maraming salamat sa mga boss natin. At pinaluto talaga yung mga the best.
Lahat actually.
Oo.
So if ever gusto nyo mag-order dito sa Alta Pampanga, they are available from Mahan.ph and Grab. So you could check their Facebook fan page sa mga gustong mag-order.
Kapatado kayo na ako.
So, yun guys. Opo. Again, thank you so much, Ara muna.
Hello, thank you din po. We're in Pampanga, full support.
Yes.
Proud to be Kapampangan.
Of course, guys. For those of you who can't remember, siya po yung nagpasikat ng Ojo Kaluguranda ka. So, proud ka Pampangan, Ken.
Thank you po.
Alright, see you again.
We can do it all night long. Yeah. Oh, baby.
Grabe, Mark, what can you say about the place?
So yung place napaka-cozy, hindi mo akalain na sobrang mura yung mga na-offer nila dito. So napakaganda ng place,
Yes.
napaka-cool, mukhang social.
Yes,
Yung
brother.
food naman sobrang sarap, so napaka-generous nila, nag-enjoy kami.
Exactly. Sobrang nakakatuwa yung mga kasama natin kanina, sina Aramuna, sina Karamba.
Yes.
And hindi pa rin natin naubos sa sobrang dami. So there you have it guys. This is another option for you to check out.
So this is a rooftop resto bar that is located dito sa may Santo Domingo, Angeles City. So yung pinaka-landmark nila is malapit siya sa Sacred Heart Hospital
Yes.
and Carmelite Monastery.
Operating hours pala nila is from 10 a.m. up until 7 p.m.
So there you have it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and visit Alta Pampanga.
So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video. Peace out.
We can do it all night long.
Bye.